Makes me nervous when he has to climb high up on a ladder.
Okay, phase 2 of getting our kitchen together. Phase 1 was installing this door. So phase 2 is now getting this old school installed cabinet that's inside the wall out. Turn that into an entryway.
Big old doorway. Trying to make this little. Alright, well, all but that one piece came out peacefully. But this shit right here is a pain in the butt. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Ooh, where it goes. What are you looking at?
Papa!
Papa!
Yeah, it's gonna make a mess.
Right? Just ringing in your ears. Hey.
There you go.
It's like demolishing the wood. It's not going anywhere. Jesus. They seriously put a nail every like 2 inches. It's like, these shelves are never coming out.
Well, that's how they didn't. That's how those shelves shelved it.
No.
It's amazing.
Built-in cabinets, drawers, and very sturdy shelves. Press the button by your thumb.
We already broke it before we got the camera, but don't want to miss it.
Oh, this kitchen used to be green. Blech.
Green.
Yeah.
Huh? What does that mean?
It means it used to be green.
Well, almost got a hole.
Hey,
Alright, taking that out, like so.
I got all the trim off, but I cannot get this one screw out to get this hinge off.
Don't.
You're fine. I'm not doing anything there.
Oh, I just don't want you to like bust through there and then make it the ladder.
Good Lord. Woo!
Alright,
Do you have a rug
it's out.
other than the one at the front door? What are we doing with these nails down here?
I'll have to cut them. It's a big hole right there.